Hello and welcome to the Cryptocurrency News channel. Today we're going to talk about Terra Classic and Luna 2.0. And the thing is, how these correlate with each other and what their prices are actually doing. And are the whales just swing trading us into oblivion? Now, I'm not invested in either of these coins, so I'm not really losing any money off these, but I've noticed several patterns between these two coins, and I think the whales from Terra Classic and Luna 2.0 are the same people because they came from the same basic coin, Terra Luna, which collapsed a while ago. That's pretty much undeniable, I think. I don't think anyone will really try to basically say I'm wrong on that one. But the thing is, if you actually look at the chart right now, at around 7 a.m., that's when Terra Luna Classic really started to fall. It's fallen roughly about 19% in the last 24 hours, and it really fell like around 7 o'clock. If you actually look at Terra 2.0, that is almost the exact same time where Terra 2.0 came up. So what I'm guessing is a lot of the whales, after pumping Terra Luna Classic up for several days, basically sold off for some profits on the retail investors, and then they're pumping, and they actually started to pump Terra Luna. Now, two things could possibly happen. They can keep pumping Terra Luna for a while, and if that happens, I bet Terra Classic will continue dropping, or at some time along the line, they can, if this volume starts dropping, I think they can actually sell Terra Luna 2.0 and then repump Luna Classic. Now, it's very hard to catch the patterns that they're actually doing, but generally they come with basically coin volume. If the coin volume is going up, then the price is generally going up. If the coin volume is going down, as you can see here, then the price will eventually drop sometime. For Terra Luna, if you actually look at the 1 month, if it drops below, let's just say, if it really drops below 0.00035 or something, then I think you're in trouble, because basically 0.00035 not 0.00035. I think if it actually drops below here, well, let's just say here's the equilibrium point. Right now, if it actually drops below 0.0003839, I do think you are a little bit in trouble, because if you look at the previous dips, they've never gone below the last previous kind of spike price. And if it goes below 0.0038, it's actually going below that. So you might have a further dip in store. Now, it's very hard to predict how these whales are actually trading. I know you guys are really excited about the coin burn and all that stuff, and maybe something about Luna 2.0, but I do actually think the whales are just playing you, regardless of the coin burn or not. And I don't know who that whale is. It could be Binance, it could be one of the big exchanges, it just could be a big holder. But the fact is that Terra Luna Classic price went down just as Terra Luna 2.0 came up. So I think they're just swing trading back and forth. And it's really hard to predict which one they will sell and which one they will buy next, because you could be saying, oh, they just bought Terra Luna 2.0, they'll sell it next and pump up Terra Luna Classic. But not really. If you look at Terra Luna Classic, I mean, if you look at this right here, it did come down for a little bit, and then it went up, and then it went up again. So they could just be repumping, and it's really hard to actually gauge these things. Very, very risky to actually, it's definitely really, really risky to play it right now. I mean, Terra Luna 2.0 came all the way down, but they might want to pump it to maybe around $11 or maybe even to the all-time high. We don't really know. You see a lot of volume right here. But if you ever see this volume really start dropping, you might want to get out of Terra Luna 2.0 and get back into Terra Luna Classic. But it's very hard to predict what the whales will actually do unless you're in the whale club, which none of us actually are. And I do definitely think this could be one of the exchanges actually doing this as well. It's very, very hard to predict what they are. But I do think there is some scam swing trading between the two coins. I think whales are moving into one and moving out of the other. And they're basically just swing trading between the two coins, because I think the timing is too much of a coincidence to actually ignore. So let me know what you think about this. I mean, are you swing trading back and forth between Terra Classic and Terra 2.0? Or are you just holding on to one? Because I really do think they're playing us. And eventually both these coins, I think, will go down. But there's a lot of profit potential if you can actually predict right what they're going to do next. So that's the news for today. Let me know what you think. Like and subscribe. Hit that bell notifications button. Thank you and have a nice day.